Come on. Uh-oh.
What the freak?
It's Seek from Roblox Dolls! Run! He's chasing us! This way! Whoa. We did it! We reached the dam! We reached the dam! Get up here! Get up here! He's dead! No! Come on, Seek, then. I'll lure you over here, Seek. Come on, then, Seek. He's lured in. We gotta get him in the water. We gotta get him in the water. He's gonna jump in. Kill Seek!
Smack him in the face with a brick.
And this is how you kill Seek. Using monkeys. Using monkeys' extra luscious hair soap. Die, Seek! Die! Hold on, I just realised. We put him in water. This is going to make him even angry. He's going to keep chasing us. Let's just give him the soap bar.
Go through the small tunnel. Come on, hurry.
Run.
I can't see.
Wait, no. Juked. Run. This way. This is juking Seek in VR, bro.
I can't see.
Wait, run. He's chasing us.
Run.
I have no. Ah.